Well, hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video is kind of very different than my previous video in my YouTube channel. So in this video I've got a really special lesson for you guys. I'm going to talk to you about 3 ways to make yourself sound more British. So let's get started with the lesson. The first thing that I'm going to talk to you about, sound, the letter R. So in British accent you have to remember, don't ever pronounce the letter R. For example, better, in British accent they say it better, water, like that. But in American accent they'll say it better, better, water, water. So like that. I'm trying my best. The second one is the letter U. In British accent they pronounce it U, but in American accent they pronounce it O, like ooh. For the example, duty, duty, stupid, stupid. In British accent they say it like that, but in American accent they say it duty, duty, stupid, stupid, stupid. Yeah, it's kind of different between the British accent and American accent. It's like duty, stupid, duty, stupid. I'm trying my best. For the last is letter T. So in British accent they have one of 2 different ways to pronounce the T sounds. For the first is better, better. The second one is better, better, like that. So the first one is kind of general or formal pronunciation, but the second one is informal pronunciation. In American accent they pronounce it like better, better, water, like that. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me the big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to all of your friends. So that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.